Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1966 Smith-Corona Galaxie II vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you guide the page in straight. I'm going to line that up with the edge of the platen, which is the main roller that feeds the page. Above that are the margins, and you just push them down and move them like this. I'm going to set this one at 0 and this one around 75, about the length of the page. This is the paper support arm that flips up from the back. And this is the paper bell that sits on top. It's got two rollers that are also adjustable. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, flip that switch back. Skips 2, one more, skips 3. That works good. We're going to keep it on single and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line and switch from black to red. There's a switch on the right side here. Flip that all the way down and prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. Beautiful typing machine. This is one of the most popular models in colors. Very easy and fun to type on, very reliable. Smith-Corona made some of the most popular typewriters of all time during this era. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. Just flip it to the front. It unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. Shift on each side and shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace above that on the left side of the keyboard. Works great. Touch control, low, medium, high. The lower you go, the less tension you have to hit when you hit the keys. The higher you are, you have to hit them a little harder for them to print, and it does respond a little faster. Tab on the right side here. Right now we don't have any tabs set, so it goes slamming all the way to the end. We're going to set one by hitting the set button right there, right in the middle. Then you hit the tab, it stops at that spot. To clear it, hit the CL button when you get to that tab. And it goes all the way to the end. We're going to keep one in the middle so that way the next time the tab button gets hit, it doesn't cause wear and tear on the typewriter. MR below that stands for margin release. When you get to the end of the margin, there is a block, so it won't allow you to print. So if you hit that MR button, it will allow you to type all the way to the end. I'm going to set that back on black, so next time we print black. Open the hood, all the brand new ribbons loaded on this left side, so it's pulling to the right side. To switch the direction, right where my left thumb is, push this back and it starts pulling to the left. If you push it forward, it starts pulling to the right. Carriage release on each side, very smooth. I'll push this down for now. This is the original one broke off, so I have a 3D printed carriage release on this. So if you have a machine that needs one, you can order it in my shop. These things are made out of, the originals are made out of plastic, so they do break easy. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.